Today I'm looking at the MSI GC20 V2 USB gaming controller. As my kids are learning how to play games on a PC, I think it would be a great idea to buy a controller to make gameplay easier for them. This is a budget-friendly controller made for Android and Windows. It features dual vibrations motors, which the kids love. The controller is plenty of buttons and 4 triggers. Inside the box you will find a manual that is actually quite useful. It contains all essential information regarding the button's layout and how to switch between different controller modes. The controller itself comes in a matte black color. The joysticks feel very high quality, and a nice bonus is the swappable magnetic D-pad cover. It is a bit sad that in 2026 you can still find device with a micro USB input. I just hope the kids don't break the port. The included cable is well built and long enough to use comfortably with a PC or laptop. The package also includes a second, shorter micro USB to USB-C cable for smartphone gaming. Regarding Android gaming, I tried several different games and experimented with the various controller modes, but the result was the same. The controller wouldn't work with my phone games. Finally, I found GTA, which worked perfectly with the controller on the phone. It was a great experience. Do you know of any other Android games that support controller play? But on PC it's much easier and without surprises. Just connect the cable to the computer, plug cable in the controller, switch it to the default mode, and enjoy your games. My kids and I really like this MSI controller. And the best part is that you won't have to break the bank to buy it.